House Democrats want top immigration officials from the Trump administration to testify this week about the crisis at the border. The lawmakers want answers about reports of dangerous and unsanitary conditions at migrant detention facilities. Ben Tracy's at the White House with more on this story. Ben, good morning to you. What can you tell us about what's actually being done?
Well, the president is promising more transparency. He even says he wants to get journalists in to see these facilities. But there's also a bit of a mixed message coming out of the administration. On the one hand, they're blaming Democrats for the conditions. And on the other, the president is saying these migrants are actually in better shape in these facilities than where they came from.
They had to know anything where they came from. Those are people that are very happy with what's going on.
But a report from the New York Times this weekend details horrendous conditions at the Clint border facility in Texas. Outbreaks of scabies, shingles, and chickenpox spreading among the hundreds of children being held in cramped cells. President Trump called the Times report a hoax, and acting Homeland Security Secretary Kevin McAleenan called the allegations unsubstantiated.
Because there's adequate food and water, because the facility's cleaned every day, because I know what our standards are and I know they're being followed.
Even a report by his own Department of Homeland Security's Inspector General described overcrowding at detention facilities as dangerous and a ticking time bomb.
We've been talking about this. We've been asking for help. I'm not denying that there are challenging situations at the border.
Acting Director of U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, Ken Cuccinelli, claims that since Congress passed a $4.6 billion humanitarian aid bill, the situation has improved.
We've gone from about 2,500 children in facilities not designed for them down to a fraction of that.
Democrats who visited detention facilities in Texas last week say the conditions are still unacceptable.
They are in a facility that is dehumanizing.
Now, the administration says that it is disappointed that Congress appears to have no plans to address asylum laws before its August recess. They also say they are ready for mass roundups and deportations of people who are here in the country illegally, but it's unclear when those may start. Tony?
Ben Tracy for us. Ben, thank you very much.